to make their way into the blue corner, we have Josh Latimer.
Josh Latimer from Birmingham, going toe-to-toe with Martin Phillips from USA in 3 2-minute rounds of boxing here. Josh Latimer recently fought in JackHammer UK. He fought Jake Nutt. Jake Nutt stopped him in the second round. Next to the ring we have Martin Phillips from Undisputed Fight Academy. Bit of groove here on the tune.
Bit of groove. It's quite a good walk down tune this actually.
Coach agrees. Yeah, Martin Phillips, a really solid fighter. Nice and confident on his way into the ring. Martin Phillips facing off against Josh Latimer.
These warriors are giving it their all. And in the red corner, we have
Martin looking game.
Yeah. He's got evil in his eyes.
Every time. This is a new mythical fighter, this. Bold Martin Phillips. I haven't seen this version of him before.
Seems to be Battle of the Bolds here.
Battle. Yeah, a winner gets an ear transplant.
round one.
And we are off. Round one is underway.
Martin feeling him out. Oh, that just glanced there for Martin. Martin feeling him out.
Put him on the ropes, Martin. Let's go. On the ropes. You got 2 hands. Don't wait, Mark.
Oh, big haymaker coming in there.
You don't want to get caught by
No,
that.
you don't.
I can see Josh getting stopped here. I can.
Well, if one of those connects,
All
for
it
sure.
takes is one of those as well. I can promise you that.
But we haven't seen what Josh
I've
has
seen
got in the
Martin
locker yet.
caught somebody with one of them, and he's done a 360 and ended up face planting the canvas before. So I know that he's got what it takes.
Yeah. No, I can't imagine you'd feel too well after catching one of those.
No, definitely not. You're going to need a checkup.
Let's go, Martin. Set it up. 2, 3 punches. You just throw a single shot.
Chris Bladen asking
Nice.
for 2 or 3
Oh,
punches,
nice.
and he does comply.
Nice.
Oh!
Big uppercut coming through this, like back
no,
of the head.
that wasn't the back of the head. No way. I don't know what's up with Chris today, but he's seeming way too nice. That's not the Chris Bladen I know. Josh,
Yeah,
just
Martin really
losing his
controlling
balance
this
there.
fight so far.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, his levels above here. Oh!
Yeah.
Beautiful
I felt that.
body shot.
I felt that one.
Lovely body shot there from Martin Phillips.
Yeah, Josh really needs to start letting some
and
shots
again.
go of his
Yeah, he's
own if
gonna
he
get
wants to have a
stopped here.
chance in this fight.
Josh is going to get stopped here. I called it, and it's going to happen. Can he get up? Yeah, he's up. He's up.
Martin bouncing in the neutral corner. Keen to get back in there. Straight to the body again. He's hunting
Yeah,
that.
he's gonna go down
Yep,
again.
he's down.
And he's gone, and he's
It's
gone.
over. Simple as that. Brilliant performance from Martin Phillips. And that's what the fighters from Undisputed Fight Academy are all about.
Well done, Martin Phillips.
Yeah, and fair play to Josh.
Hair transplant myself. I've got an absolute M-heads at the minute. It's for the millions on my mind, Dion. I can't help it.
The M for Mitch.
Yeah, it's the millions on my mind.
Red corner.
Martin looking a very happy chap.
So he should be. So he should be.
Very good victory there.
Yeah,
for
really
Martin
good.
Phillips.
The hard work pays off.
We've had numerous first round stoppages here.
Yeah, we have.
today.
It seems to be the theme of the night. Hopefully it can continue.
Yeah, so I get to go home a little bit earlier.